This is another attempt to show a way of demonstrating the common ancestor. This time we're going to use a fan chart. So we just do a fan, pick on Lydia Alden that we had looked at before. And we're going to do a fan chart for her. And I know it says 14. We don't need that many, but we'll just say okay. And up comes the fan chart. And in order to make this come onto a single page, we will change the timeline to 20 years per tick. It makes it small enough to actually fit on at least a legal size piece of paper. Maybe we'll go to 25. But there we are with the whole thing. And if we have names out here that we can't read, all we have to do is to put the cursor over the life bar and we find out who is in there. Let's just read it down on the bottom left corner. It's the name of the person in there. So let's look for Joseph Alden. We probably are going to find him on both sides. We know we're going to find, let's take this Joseph Alden here, 16, and let's highlight it and let's make him yellow. Okay. And then let's find him over on this side. Here's Joseph Alden, 1627 to 1697. So that's the same person on both sides. And we change that to yellow. Okay. And so now we have the two common ancestors highlighted there. We also have found out before that Nicholas Phillips here was a common ancestor. So we can change his color to purple. Okay. These are simple left clicks to do all of this work. So coming down now, we have Phillips, or Hannah Phillips, yes, the Hannah White. So there can be purple also. So, and now Mary Alden. This is going to be interesting because Mary Alden is going to be two colors, but we can't do that on here, so we'll just change this one to the yellow. And since we're doing those over here, let's do them also over on this side here. Alice Jane Phillips. And on this side, Nicholas Phillips is almost not readable right there. So we put that over there and we see in the bottom left-hand corner it says Nicholas Phillips. And that E in the middle in brackets is my way of demonstrating that he was actually a immigrant, as was his daughter. So if I put make a box, and that picks up both of those. So now both are highlighted, so I can make both of those the purple. Format, multiple color, okay, and now we have that. And this was Alice Jane, and on the other side we had Hannah White. So Joseph Shaw and Mary Shaw, Martha Shaw, were all parts of the Phillips family. Okay, so we show those together on both sides, and we have the yellow on both sides. Joseph Alden, Joseph. So here's another yellow. Okay. So we can show that those are both yellow on both sides and both purple on both sides. And that indicates that David Alden and Lucy Thomas were had common ancestors.